We're the UnBelizeable Perez's, and we are going sailing for the first time as a family. So come along for the journey.
Why sailing is such a big deal for us here in Belize? Because it's expensive. You can go for a day, you can go for 3 days, or you can go for a few hours as well. It is an unbelievable family experience for the first time for us going together. You're probably thinking, I am a Belizean and I do not go sailing because I get seasick. Well, listen to Leah and the recommendation she have as you go sailing and experience it for yourself. And yes, Anya and myself had one experience of a lifetime.
This is our first time sailing, even though we've been married, living in Belize for 13 years. Definitely something we'd want to do again, maybe without the kids. They're not handling the sea as smoothly as maybe we adults are, but it's been a great experience, and I think it's something us Belizeans should take more advantage of. Tourists come and they only have a certain amount of time to get the right day with the right weather, whereas if you're close, if you're local and you know there's good weather, or if there's bad weather, you can postpone it and pick a good day. Today was a bit choppy, not bad. My trick is to not sit in the back of the boat, but be near the front where you don't see everything moving and rocking, and look at something in the distance that's not moving, whether it's an island or a big tanker or the land, and just keep your eyes on that. You let your body move, but don't move your head too much, and it seems to really be helping me keep my sea legs. Now we're heading back.
Cheers, El Capitan.
Don't be scared, be smart.
Don't ask, Chase. Everybody's having fun over there, old Belize, and we're having boring.
Encourage any Belizean out there who hasn't done it to go for 3 hours. We went 3 hours and we got enough of it. We're gonna keep trying. It's something that it has to grow in you. For me, I get seasick really easy. Belize Sailing Adventures. I would encourage you to give it a try, especially if you are very busy with your work, just need a little break to get out and do something completely new. I would encourage you to do this. Beautiful, beautiful. You cannot experience it without giving it a try.
Welcome to Old Belize. I encourage you to come at Old Belize. Come, swim, have a train ride, and also go sailing. And also, rule number 1, have fun.
Sailing started at Old Belize Marina. There they have a beautiful beach, very much family friendly. The kids can enjoy the nice beautiful beach, very cleared water, and lots of activities to do right here in Belize City. Belize is our home, and every Friday the UnBelizeable family share a family adventure with you all.